Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about some models, JEE advanced models. Okay. Therefore, the first one is integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x pi by 2 ab. Suppose here not there whole square, then value of this one. Suppose is not there a square, directly you can write pi by 2 ab. Therefore a is the 2, b is the 3. Therefore a is the 2, 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. Pi by 12 is the answer. But here is there whole square. How to complete this one? Now differentiating this one with partial differentiating. Partial differentiating with respect to a first. Partial differentiating means only the variable is a, remaining all are the keeping the constants. Rest of all constants. That means integral 0 to pi by 2. We have to take the differential variable here a. Therefore, the derivative of 1 by x is the minus 1 by x square. A square cos square x plus b square sin square of x whole square. This is compared with 1 by x minus 1 by x square. After that, the derivative of a square is the minus 2a. The derivative of a square is the derivative of a square is the 2a. The cos square x is there, also there in the numerator dx. Now we can, the derivative of 1 by a. 1 by a is the minus 1 by a, that is minus pi by 2 into a square b. Now after that, minus into minus plus. This is the integral 0 to pi by 2 the cos square x dx. The cos square x dx. Therefore a square into cos square x, b square into sin square x whole square, minus into minus pi by, this is the a square into a is the 2 into 2 is the 4, a square into a is the a cube into b. Is it clear? After that, similarly we are partial differentiating with respect to b. Now the partial differentiation with respect to b. Is it clear? Now we are going to take the partial differentiation with respect to b. That means integral 0 to pi by 2. Similarly, the derivative of 1 by x is the minus 1 by x square. That means minus 1 by x square is the a square cos square of x, b square sin square of x. The derivative of b square is the 2b. That is the minus of 2b sin square of x into dx is there. Therefore, now the derivative of 1 by b is the minus 1 by b square. Now this is minus pi by 2 into a b square. This is sending to the other side. Therefore, this is 0 to pi by 2 sin square of x into dx. Therefore, this is the derivative of 1 by x is the minus, derivative of 1 by x is the minus 1 by x square. This is the a square cos square x plus b square sin square of x whole square. This will be sending to the other side. Pi by 2 into 2 is the 4 a b cube. This is taken equation 2. So after we can thinking the 1 and 2, 1 plus 2 cos square x plus sin square x is the 1. So here when we can adding the 1 and 2, all of you listen here. The 1 plus 2 that implies integral 0 to pi by 2 when the denominators are equal, this one and this one are equal, that is the LCM. Now we can adding the numerators sin square x plus cos square x cos square x plus sin square x is the 1 dx whole by a square cos square of x b square sin square of x whole square. Okay, whole square. Is it clear? Equals to, now we are taking here pi by 4ab is the common. Therefore, what is the remaining here? 1 by a square. What is the remaining is there here? 1 by b square. Is it clear or not? Pi by 4ab we taking the common. Is there remaining a square? In that b square. Now this is, we have to compare this one 0 to pi by 2, a square cos square x plus b square sin square x, we got this one, where a square we taking the 4 and b square equal to 9, then you take on both sides, then it will be the integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by 4 cos square of x, this is the 9 sin square of x whole square equal to pi by 2ab, that is 4ab, 4 into a is the 2, b is the 3 upon 1 by a square is the 4, 1 by b square is the 9. Now this is a pi by, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. This is the 9 plus 4 is the 13 by 36. Then it will be the 13 pi by 864. 13 pi by 864 is the answer. So, these type of models, I am requesting you all, we can revise, we can refer the any reference book. Very few models are different only. We can all, we already completed so many models. Only the different calculations are, some more models are there only. So we have to concentrate those sums. Undoubtedly, we are very perfect in differential, that means definite integral. Okay?
Start.
Here the 0 to 3, 1 by 1 plus x square sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square into dx. All of you listen here. The 2 tan inverse x is the formula sin inverse of 2x by 8. 2x by 1 plus x square. The 2x by 1 plus x square, if minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. This is minus pi minus sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square if x less than minus 1, and pi minus of sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square, 2x by x plus 2x by 1 plus x square if x is greater than 1. If x is greater than 1. Therefore, now we have to find 0 to 3, 0 to root 3, 1 by 1 plus x square, the sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square into dx. Is it clear? How to write this one? First we are taking the integral 0 to 1. When we are taking the 0 to 1 here, this is the 0 to 1. When we are taking the 0 to 1, the directly we can take the sin inverse of 2x is the 2 tan inverse of x. 1 by 1 plus x square. This is the 2 into tan inverse of x. When we are taking integral 1 to root 3, when we are taking the integral 1 to root 3, that means greater than 1, then it is the pi minus of, is there 1 by 1 plus x square. First you can write 1 by 1 plus x square. The sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square is, how to write this one? this is sending to the other side. This is sending to the other side. This is pi minus of, this is the pi minus of 2 tan inverse of x whole of dx. Pi minus of 2 tan inverse of x dx. Therefore, now we can write this is, when we are taking the tan inverse x is the t, the derivative of the tan inverse x, the derivative of the tan inverse x is the 1 by 1 plus x square. Here, when we are taking the tan inverse x, all of you listen here, when we are taking the tan inverse, first you can write outside 2. The tan inverse x is the t, derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square, dx is the dt. Therefore, we got t dt. Integral of t dt is the, integral of t dt is the t square by 2, where t square is tan inverse of x whole square by 2. The limits are 0 to 1, where 2 cancel. Now here in the second integral we have to split into the two integrals. Now the first one is, how to write the first one? This is pi by, we can write the pi outside, 1 upon 1 plus x square is the tan inverse of x. 1 upon 1 plus x square is the tan inverse x, that is 1 to root 3. Therefore the next one is here same, minus 2 you can write outside, minus 2 is the outside, tan inverse of x dx by 1 plus x square. Again the tan inverse x is the t, the derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is the dt. Therefore this is the t dt. Integral of t dt is the t square by 2. Therefore t square is the tan inverse of x whole square by 2. The integral 1 to root 3. These are cancelled. Is it clear? Now we can substituting 1 or 0. Then how to? Therefore now we are substituting 1. Therefore 1 is the value of tan 45. Put x equal to 1. 1 is the tan 45. Tan inverse tan cancel. Pi by 4 whole square is, pi by 4 whole square is the pi square by 16. All of you listen here. The simplification is, put x equal to 1. 1 is the tan pi by 4. Tan inverse tan cancel. Pi by 4 whole square is the pi square by 16. When taking 0, tan 0, 0. That is 0. Now the next step is pi into, we can take root 3 is the, root 3 is the value of tan 60. That is a pi by 3 minus, put x equal to 1, that is tan 45. After that minus of here, the minus of, when we are taking the root 3, the root 3 is the pi by 3. That means tan of 60 degrees. Tan inverse tan cancel. Then it is also pi by 3 means pi square by 9. When we are taking the 1 is the pi by 4. 1 is the tan pi by 4. Tan inverse tan cancel. Pi by 4 whole square is the pi square by 16. Therefore here this is pi minus of minus plus. Pi square by 16 is the 2 pi square by 16. Now this is pi into 4 pi minus 3 pi is the pi by 12. Okay. After that minus of pi square by 9. Therefore this is 2 1 ja 2 8 ja. We are taking the LCM is 72. Now 72 is the LCM. 8 9 jar, then it will be the 9 pi square plus 12 6 jar is the 6 pi square minus 9 8 jar 8 pi square. Now this is 9 minus 8 is the 1 plus 7 is the 1 plus 6 is the 7. 7 pi square by 72. The 7 pi square by 72 is the required solution. Is it clear? The value of the integral 1 to 2 under root of 2x plus 3 under root of 3x square plus 4 into dx cannot exceed. So here means the cannot exceed means the maximum value. So yesterday we have discussed the integral of some more limits are given that 1 by 1 plus sine square x dx. Just you can observe the sine square x is a lies between 0 to 1. After then 1 adding both sides, 1 less than or equal to 1 plus sine square of x less than or equal to 2. After then reciprocal of that is the 1 by 1 greater than or equal to 1 upon 1 plus sine square x, that is less than the greater than or equal to 1 by 2. Then you can write the ascending order 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 upon 1 plus sine square x less than or equal to 1. Then you can apply the limits. What are they given, that 0 to 1 or anything. So then you got the minimum and the maximum values. When the minimum and maximum values are given, that just you can think when they are here, this is to find difficult the under root part. In that case we are apply the inequality rule. That means by applying the Stowers-Bunyak-Hauskay inequality. Is it clear? What is the rule? By Stowers-Bunyak-Hauskay inequality. What is that one? That property is integral of 1 to 2x plus 3 under root of 3x square plus 4 under root of, this is always less than or equals to, all of you listen here, under root of integral 1 to 2x plus 3 dx and integral 1 to 2 3x square plus 4 into dx. We have to know that here this is the Stowers-Bunyak-Hauskay inequality, that is under root of we are taking integral 1 to 2 2x plus 3 into integral 1 to 2 3x square plus 4. Now here this is under root of the 2x square is x square by 2, 2 cancel. This is the 3x, the limits are 1 to 2. Now another one is, this is 3x cube by 3, that is x cube plus 4x 1 to 2. Now we can write this is less than or equal to 4 plus, here you can write this is the 4 plus 6 minus of, when you can substituting 1 plus 3, this is the first limits. After that this is the, you can write 2 cube is the 8, 4 2s are 8 minus of 1 plus 4 under root of, how can you write this is less than or equals to, this is the 10 minus 4 is the 6, here this is the 8 plus 8 16, 16 minus 5 is the 11. Now this is less than or equal to under root of 66. This value cannot be exceed root of 66. This is the maximum value, the root of 66. Okay.
Start.
So here the I is the integral 1 to 2 dx by under root of 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x plus 4. So here you have to don't think the definite integral with the indefinite integral. We have a thought in the indefinite integral how to find this part. Is it clear or not? When it is the integrals and the limits are given, that in the first class I explained, it is the numerical value only. Is it clear or not? So the definite integral always has the numerical value. The integral a to b f of x dx is the area of the curve bounded by the region, the curve and the lines x equal to a and x equal to b and the x-axis. That means it has a numerical value. Therefore, so that's why when the integrand is difficult, you have to take here the first f of x equal to 1 by 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x plus 4. 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x plus 4. Now how to write the derivative? This is the 1 by root x. That means root x is the x power minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 x power minus 3 by 2. Therefore now this is, we can write minus 1 by 2 into 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x plus 4 whole power 3 by 2. Then also we find the derivative is, the derivative of here, this is the 6x square minus 18x minus of 18x and plus 12. So now here all of you listen here, the minus of the 6 is we have to take the common is the 6 here, x square 6 3 jar 6 2 jar upon 2 1 jar 2 3 jar 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x plus 4 whole power 3 by 2. Okay. Now this is the factors. We know that x minus 1 into x minus 2. This is the minus of x minus 1 into x minus 2 upon the 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x plus 4 whole power 3 by 2. Therefore here we observe in the region 1 to 2, we are supposing x equal to 1 to 2. When x belongs to 1 to 2, that is 3.2, we know that 1.5. 3 by 2 is the 1.5. We can substitute here 1.5 minus 1. 1.5 minus 1, 0.5 is positive. 1.5 minus 2 is the minus 0.5 negative. Minus into minus plus. It is always greater than 0 in the interval for x belongs to 1 to 2. Therefore, this is the f of x is the here. How to write? F of x is when this is the derivative of this one. The derivative of f of x is the f dash of x. The derivative of 1 by root x is the minus 1 by 2 into x power 3 by 2. Therefore, when we can observe the f dash of x is greater than 0, the f dash of x is, first we take the f of x, this one, the derivative of f of x is the f dash of x. 1 by root x is the minus 1 by 2 x power 3 by 2, then also find this derivative. This is the greater than 0 for the interval x equal to 1 to 2. Therefore, f of x is an increasing function. F of x an increasing function. When it is an increasing function, we can write this is taken I. Therefore, when it is an increasing function, we can write the 2 minus 1 f of 1 is less than I, less than 2 minus 1 f of 2. This is the inequality. 2 minus 1 into f of 1. Suppose it is a decreasing function, we can type greater than 2 minus 1 f of 1 is greater than I greater than 2 minus 1. Is it clear or not? Therefore, here the 2 minus 1 is the 1. F of 1. What is the f of 1 is? We can write the f of 1 is 2 minus 9 plus 12 plus 4 less than I. Less than f of 2 is the, here f of 2 is the 8. 8 2 jar is the 16. Okay. 4 9 jar is the 36. Therefore, this is 12 2 jar is the 24 plus 4. After that, we can write this is, how to write this one? This is, just you can think here, 12 plus 4, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 minus 9 9, root 9 is the 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Therefore, 1 by 3 less than, we can write 1 by, this is the 24, first 16 plus 16 plus 4 is the 20, 20 plus 24 44 minus 36, this is the 8, root of 8. All of you listen here, we can write 1 by 4 is also, option is given that 1 by 4, 1 by 4 is a less than 1 by 3 less than 1 by root 8, 1 by root is also less than 1. So, we can write the answer is here, the 1 by 4 less than I less than 1. This is our required solution. What is the inequality? When f of x is a, when f of x is a increasing function, we can write the 2 minus 1 f of 1. The I is a lies between 2 minus 1 f of 1. Is it clear? Less than I 2 minus 1 f of 2. Okay, this is the property of the inequality. Suppose f of x is a decreasing function, that 2 minus 1 f of 1 is greater than I is greater than 2 minus 1 f of 2. Is it clear? Integral minus 1 by 2 to, how to write this is, under root is there, we can write this is minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. A square b square minus 2ab, these two are reciprocal. When they are multiple this, then you got these two are cancelled, these two are cancelled, we got 1. Therefore, this is, we can write x plus 1 by x minus 1 minus x minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square into dx. A square this one, b square this one, minus 2ab this is. Okay. Now we can write this is integral of minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. This is the x plus, when you are taking the LCM, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Now this is x plus 1 whole square, this is x minus 1 whole square, a square b square, in this a square b square cancel. Is there 2ab 2x, minus of minus plus 2ab, that is 2x. This is the 4x, square and under root cancel, we are taking the modulus. When it is a modulus, we can just mod function, the mod of x is there. The mod of x, the x square is a positive, undoubtedly always even. The mod x, when we are taking the mod x, undoubtedly the minus of x be the mod of x. This is the f of x, it is a even function. When we can observe it is a even function, then it will be written as twice into integral 0 to 1 by 2 4x by x square minus 1 dx. Now we can apply the mod property. What is the mod property? We are taking the in between 0 to 1 by 2. 0 to 1 by 2 means 0.5. The before 0.5, suppose we are taking the 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is the 0.3 is the least one. Okay. 1 by 3 is the lies between 0 to 1 by 2. Now it is substitute in this 4 by 3, that is a 1 by 9 minus 1. This is the 4 by 3 upon minus 8 by 9. We got the negative. Therefore, in between the values 0 to 1 by 2, the mod is the negative. Therefore, now we can write this is 2 into integral. We can remove the mod, we got minus. That is the 4x by x square minus 1 into dx. Is it clear? Now, just 1 minute. We can write the minus c sending to, therefore here the derivative of x square is 2x. The derivative of x square is the 2x. The derivative of x square is the 2x. In the next step we can take 2 is the common. Therefore now we can write 2 common, 2 2 ja 4. This is the 2x by x square minus 1 into dx. How is it? This is f dash of x by f of x. Derivative of x square 2x. The derivative of 1 0. F dash x by f of x is the log mod of f of x. Log mod of f of x, whose the limits are 0 to 1 by 2. What are the limits? 0 to 1 by 2. Now the minus 4 into the log mod of, all of you listen here, log mod of, this is the 1 by 4 minus 1 minus, when we are taking the 0, log mod of minus 1 is the plus 1, log 1 is the 0. Therefore now this is minus 4, log mod of this is the 4, 1 minus 4 is the minus 3. In modulus minus is the plus 3 by 4. Is it clear? We can write 3 by 4. So this is the minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. In modulus minus is the plus. When we are taking the plus 4, undoubtedly this is the 4 by 3. Since this is sending to the power, the minus 1, 3 by 4 minus 1 is the 4 by 3 plus 1. This is our required solution. Okay. 4 by 3 log of 4 by 3. Okay. Dear students, here the given by minus root 2, 2x power 7 plus 3x power 6 minus 10x power 5 minus 7x cube minus 12x square plus 1. So first you can check it is even or odd. So what are the odd terms are there? 2x power 7 minus 10x power 5 minus 7x cube minus 7x cube plus x upon x square plus 2 into dx. After that minus root 2. The even terms are 3x power 6. 3x power 6. The even terms are 3x power 6 minus 12x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. This is the odd. Minus x. This is the minus. This is the minus. This is the minus. This function is the odd. This is undoubtedly we can take this complete part f of x. This is f of x. This is the odd function. This is the even function. Now its answer we know that is 0. When it is the even function, we have to take 0 to root 2, 0 to root 2, 3x power 6 minus 12x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 dx. This is the numerator degree is the 6, this is the 2. This is the improper fraction. Now we can apply the division algorithm. That is the 3x power 6 minus 12x square plus 1. We can actual division, we are taking the actual division. This is the 3x power 4. Now this is multiple with the 3x power 4. This is 3x power 6 plus 2 3 is 6x power 4. This is the minus. These are cancelled. Now we got here minus 6x power 4 minus 12x square plus 1. Now this is minus 6x square. How to write this is? The minus, we can write minus of minus 6x power 4. This is the minus 12x square. Is it clear? This is multiple with minus 6 x square into x square x power 4. 2 into 6 is the minus 12. These after that, these are cancelled. This is also cancelled. We got 1. We got 1. Therefore, we can write this is, how to write this is by the division algorithm theorem, quotient plus remainder by this one. Therefore, this can be directly written as 0 to root 2, the 3x power 4 minus 6x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into dx. Okay. Now after that we can be written as this one. All of you listen. This is the 2 into 3x power 5 by 5. 3x power 5 by 5. Now this is minus 6 x cube by 3 x square. The integral of x square is the x cube by 3. Now this can be written as, how to write this one? When we are taking the 2 can be written as root 2 whole square. This is also 1 by x square plus a square. This is x power 5 by 5. This is x cube by 3. When you can write the 2 is the 2 square. This is compared with 1 by x square plus a square. This is the integral 1 by x square plus a square is the 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. 1 by a is the root 2 tan inverse of x by root 2. The limits are 0 to root 2. Now here we are substituting the root 2. We are substituting the root 2. Therefore, root 2 whole power 5. The root 2 whole power 5 is the 4 times. 5 times. This is 5 times. Okay. Root 2, root 2, 2, root 2, root 2, 2. This is root 2. 4 root 2. Therefore, here this is the 4 root 2. 4 3s are is the 12 root 2 by 5. Now this is 3 1s are 3 2s are. 2 into x cube is the this one 2 root 2. 1 by root 2. When we are taking the root 2 by root 2 1. 1 is the value of tan 5 by 4. When we are taking the lower limit, this is 0, this is 0, 0 is the value of tan 0. Now we can write this is, how to simplification this one is, we can simply, this is the 2 into, now when we are taking the, here the 5 LCM, this is the 12 root 2, 4 2 2s are is the 4 root 2, 5 by 4 root 2. Okay, after that it can be written as, how to write this one? 12 minus 4 is the 8. 12 minus 4 is the 8. 8 into 2 is the 16 root 2 by 5. Okay, now this is plus 5 by 2 2s are 2 root 2. This is the answer. 16 root 2 by 5. Is it clear how to write this one? 16 root 2 by 5 plus 5 by root 2. This is the answer. Okay. If f of x equal to sin x plus x, then the value of integral 0 to pi f inverse of x dx. Then the value of integral 0 to pi f inverse of x dx is equal to, all of you listen here, let the f inverse of x, please listen, the f inverse of x is here t, the f inverse of x is the t, therefore the x equal to sending other side f of t. Now the derivative of x dx, this is the f dash of t into dt. Now the limits are here, the entire integral we can write, put x equal to 0, this is f inverse of 0, put x equal to 5, f inverse of 5, the f inverse of x we take t, the dx is the f dash of t dt, we have to take u, this is v. We can apply the by parts, the first into t into integral of the second, derivative and integral cancel, f of t, the limits are f inverse of 0, f inverse of 0 and f inverse of 5. Next, the derivative of t is the 1. The derivative of t is the 1. Integral of f dash of t dt is the f of t. That is the integral of f of t, integral of f of t dt. The limits are f inverse of 0, f inverse of 5. So here, all of you listen here. What is the limits here? We can write that t is the t, f of t is the sin t plus t. The limits will be, we can write here, all of you listen here, f of x equal to, f of x is given by sin x plus x. Yeah, x equal to f inverse of sin x plus x. When we are taking x equal to 0, f inverse of sin 0, 0, this is 0. That means f inverse of 0 is also 0. When we are taking x equal to pi, that is f inverse of sin pi is the 0. That is the pi. Is it clear? Put x equal to pi, f inverse of sin pi, sin 180 is 0. 0 plus pi is the pi. Therefore, f inverse of pi is also pi. Now the f inverse 0, 0. This is the pi. F of t is the sin t plus t dt. F of t is the sin t plus t. Now we can apply the limits here. This is the pi. Therefore, this is the pi. Sin pi is the 0. 0 plus pi is the pi. Pi into pi, pi square. Is it clear? This is the pi. Sin pi 0, pi. Pi into pi, pi square. 0 substitute 0 into this one, 0. Now here the integral of sin t is the minus of cos t. The integral of t is the t square by 2. Now we can apply the limits 0 to pi. Therefore here the pi square minus of, first we can put to pi. The cos pi t is the pi, cos pi is the minus 1. Minus of minus plus 1. This is the pi square by 2. Minus of the cos 0 is the 1. 0 by 2 is the 0. Now we can write this is the pi square minus of, we can minus of minus plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2, pi square by 2. When we are taking the LCM is this one, 2 pi square. 2 into pi square, 2 pi square minus pi square. That is the pi square by 2 minus 2. Is it clear? 2 into pi square, 2 pi square. 2 pi square minus pi square is the pi square by 2. This is the minus 2. Okay? This is the one of the very easiest one. The secant square x is, here the secant square x is cos square x. This is the 1 plus sin x into dx. Now this is the minus of pi by 4 into pi by 4 to pi by 4. The cos square x is the 1 minus sin square x. Then it is the 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x dx. Therefore, these two are cancelled. The integral of 1, we have to know that we are taking here the minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 1 dx minus of sin x by minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 dx. This is the odd function. Therefore, integral of 1 dx is the x, pi by 4 minus pi by 4. Therefore, this is, we can write pi by 4 minus of minus plus pi by 4. This is the pi by 2 is the required answer. Okay? Integral 0 to 1. Integral 0 to 1 tan inverse x by x into dx. L into integral 0 to pi by 2 x by sin x dx, then the L value, then the L. How to find the L? Here the L 0 to pi by 2 x by sin x. Therefore here in the left hand side is there tan inverse of x. The tan inverse of x take t. Therefore when we are taking the tan inverse of x is the t, here x equal to tan t. The derivative of tan is the secant square t. Therefore now the integral 0 to 1 tan inverse of x by dx equal to, everybody listen here, when we are taking the x equal to 0, tan 0, 0. When put x equal to 1, 1 is the value of tan 45. Now this is tan inverse x, we are taking the t. X is the tan t. Dx is the secant square t. Secant square t dt. This is the dt. Is it clear? Now we can write this is integral 0 to pi by 4 t by tan is the sin t by cos t. Secant is the 1 by cos square t dt. The next step is one time cancel. Then we are taking here 2 into 2 by 2. Then it is 0 to pi by 4. All of you listen here. T by 2 sin t cos t is the sin of 2t dt. Is it clear how to write this one? Into 2 by 2. Therefore 2 sin t cos t. Sin 2a is the 2 sin a cos a. Therefore is there sin x is there. Therefore we can take here 2t equal to x. Therefore 2 into dt equal to dx. Dt is the 1 by 2 dx. Therefore then it will comes, we can write the 2 into, when we are taking the t is the variable here. When we taking the t is the 0, this is the 0. When we are taking the t is the pi by 4, t is the pi by 4. 2 into pi by 4 is the pi by 2. T is here. What is the t is here? X by 2 by. Therefore sin of t, sin of 2t. 2t is the x. But the dt is the 1 by 2 dx. 1 by 2 dx. Therefore here the 2 cancel. 1 by 2. 0 to pi by 2. Therefore here the 2 cancel. You can write the 1 by 2 outside of the integral. What is the remaining? X by sin x dx. This is the integral of 0 to 1 tan inverse x, tan inverse of x by tan inverse of x by x dx is equal to 1 by 2 into 0 to pi by 2 x by sin x dx. What is the value of L is here? The L equal to 1 by 2. L equal to 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay. Hi students, this is today. Okay, please watch the videos and prepare the notes. Okay, thank you all.